It's the new BB-8 app control droid by Sphero. He's the coolest thing ever, but he's
sold out.
BB-8 is a wonky little astrotech droid from the new movie Star Wars Episode 7, Wake Up and Smell the Force. He's the craziest little roly-poly beep-boop ball you've ever seen. Use your telephone to control him, and he's all yours for the low price of $150. Better bust out those crowbars, Dads. Christmas is coming. He's just a whole heck of a lot of fun. He does everything. He rolls around. He lights up. He even talks to you.
And then she said, if you ever want to see these kids again, you better start paying child support.
You can even record a hologram message.
Lord Vader, get a dozen eggs and those Stacy's pita chips that I like.
He can do voice commands.
BB, go forward. Ah, my f***ing tooth.
He can roam around on his own. He picks up all the dust that's on the floor of your house. He can wash your dishes, file your income taxes, wait in line at the DMV, herd sheep, eat a ham sandwich.
And now we have ants.
Go for a jog, get indigestion, and battle the Empire. BB-8 app-controlled robot by Sphero. This is the droid you're looking for.